Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to block access to your Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, so you can try this method. So for now the access to Microsoft Store is enabled in my PC. As you can see guys, the store was not opening. If you want to block the access, you can try this method. Okay, press Windows key button and here in the search you need to type edit group policy. Okay, and open it like this. After opening, in the left panel guys, extend computer configuration and then you need to extend administrative templates like this, and in the administrative templates you need to extend Windows component. Okay, and then scroll down and find out store. So store is here, just select this, and in the right panel here you can get the settings, turn off the store application. Just double click and open that particular settings like this. By default the option was set to not configure. You need to select enabled from here. Okay, and then click on apply and then click on OK. That's it. Now close this, restart your PC one time. After restarting, when you try to open the Microsoft Store on your PC, now it will not open, as you can see guys in my screen. Okay, if you want to allow the access once again to your store, same process, same setting you need to follow. Okay, so open once again group policy on your PC like this, select store and go to that particular setting. Once again select not configure or disable. Okay, then click on apply and click on OK. That's it. Close this and restart your PC one more time, and now you are good to go. Okay, so this is the way to allow or block the access to the Microsoft Store. So that's it today guys, a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.